Hi everyone, my name is Anne, and today we are going to play Last to Stop Playing Fidget. Whoever wins gets this whole piggy bank with a lot of money inside. And I'm going to play with my little sister.
Hi guys, my name is V. Let's play, sister.
Okay, you are going to close your eyes and pick 5 fidgets. And that are the fidgets that you are going to play for this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you are going to say what fidgets you got.
The butterfly puppet and one gingerbread man puppet and a symbol and this pirate puppet and another symbol.
Okay, it's my turn. This one.
Hi guys, subscribe this video.
This one and this one. Okay, I got 2 poppets, a poppet bracelet, a simple dimple, and a slinky. Okay, now we are going to start the challenge by keep playing our fidgets. If one of us stops playing our fidgets, we are going to lose, and the winner gets all the money in here.
And
now
it's heavy.
Okay, we are going to start playing our fidget.
Let's start.
Okay, I'm going to just walk around.
And hello. They have a big bag.
You have to play with your fidget.
Mother gazelle.
Keep playing.
Okay.
This is the loud side and also the good side.
This is the bad side. I don't like the bad side. I like good side.
The good side.
Good side, Poppy.
Bad side.
Good side. Bad side.
Good side. Bad side.
Good side. Bad side. And
Oh no, I stopped playing with my fidget. V, you won the challenge. And this is the money for you. Bye guys. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel MVTV. Bye guys.
And don't forget like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to share.